everyone. Today I want to explain to you about hardware and software and operating system. Okay, let's go straight to the first material. Sorry, I forgot. My name is Chevalier Ranggabuana from class 19 2B. That's all. The first one is hardware. Hardware refers to the physical component of a computer, system, or any electronic device, unlike software, which consists of the instruction on and data processed by the system. Hardware includes all the tangible part that one can see or touch. Computer hardware can be broadly classified into the following categories. The first one is input device, the second output device, processing device, storage device, and the last communication device. Input device. These are devices used to provide data and control signal to a computer. Example: keyboard use the input text and command. Mouse used for pointing, click, and dragging. Scanner convert physical document into digital format. Microphone capture sound input. Webcam is capture video input. And last, touchscreen act as both an input and output device. Output device. This device display or output information from the computer. Example: monitor is display visual output from the computer. Printer produce a hard copy of document. Speaker output audio signal. And last, projector project image or video onto a large screen. Processing device. These are responsible for executing instruction and processing data. The most important processing hardware is the central processing unit, or we say CPU, often considered the brain of the computer. Storage device. They store data permanently or temporarily. Example include hard disk drive, or we say HDD, solid state drive, or say SSD, USB flash drive, and memory card. Internal component. This include the motherboard, RAM, or random access memory, power supply, cooling system, and other circuit board that connect and enable communication between various hardware components. Thank you for your attention. Maybe that's all I can explain because the slides are limited. Thank you for attention. And the second is software and operating system. Definition of software. Software is a collection of instructions or program that tell a computer what to do. Unlike hardware, software cannot be touched. It's intangible. Software runs on hardware and allow user to perform tasks or control the computer. Type of software. Software is divided into two main categories. In the first one is the system software. System software control and manage computer hardware. It acts as a bridge between hardware and user application. Main type of the system software: operating system, or we say OS, manage hardware and software resource. Utility program. Utility program is a perform maintenance task, edge antivirus, and disk cleanup. Device driver is allow the OS to communicate with hardware device. Example: Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and last device drives. And the second is application software. Application software is used by the user to perform specific tasks. Category of application software is productivity software. It's like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Web browser is like Chrome, Firefox. Multimedia software is like VLC player, Adobe Photoshop. Games like Minecraft, Call of Duty, or something. Communication software like Zoom and WhatsApp. What is an operating system or OS? An operating system or OS is the most important system software. It manages all hardware and software on a computer. It provides a user interface and control how program run. Function of an operating system. The first one is process management. Process management is a control running application and multitasking. The second is memory management. Memory management is allocate RAM to different tasks. And the third, file system management. File system management is organize and a control file on storage device. The fourth, device management is manage connected hardware like printer and USB. User interface or UI. Provide GUI or graphic user interface or CLI, command line interface. And the last is security and access control. This is protect the system for unauthorized access. Example of operating system. The first one is Windows, second Mac OS, Linux, Android, and the last iOS. These operating systems are used in the various devices including desktop computer, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Mobile device use Android and iOS. Server use Linux Windows Server. And the last embedded system. It's like various specialized operating system. Each operating system has its own unique feature, advantage, and application. Conclusion. The first one, software is essential for operating and using computer. System software manage hardware and basic operation. Application software allow user to do specific tasks, and the operating system is the heart of the system software, coordinating everything to ensure the system works efficiently. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.